Alright, right here we're scalding the chicken at 146 degrees Fahrenheit, and we will scald it until the feathers are easy to pull out, which is approximately 90 seconds. The best part about that is where you need to make sure where you're scalding, you pull the bird in and out of the water so it hits the cool air. This is the plucking and our yard bird plucker. It'll be in there for about 20 seconds or so. I will say this, is the older roosters are harder to pluck than the Cornish crosses, which is they'll be in here a little bit longer. After we're done here, it'll take probably 30 seconds, maybe a little bit longer on these birds. Then we'll go from there and eviscerate them on the table. If you have any questions, make sure to like and subscribe and ask the questions. I'll make sure to read every comment, and we appreciate you. Thank you so much.